Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Maths. Today we are going to be discussing question number 9 from June 23 Pure Paper 2 Real Series. So let's get started. We have a question over here that is from parametric equations. We have x and y given and show that a Cartesian equation for C is this. Okay, so let's get started. We have to make y to be in x, right? So what we're going to do, a part, okay, x equals t squared plus 6t minus 16. What if we apply completing the square thing? So it would be x plus 6 squared minus, x plus 3 squared, my bad, x plus 3 squared minus 3 squared minus 16. So minus 25. This is the x. So we have to find out t plus 3 because we have t plus 3 over here, if you can see. So t plus 3 is going to be square root of x plus 25. Makes sense? Perfect. So in the same way, can we say that y equals 6 ln x plus 25? Okay. So can we also write it like x plus 25 to half? Obviously we can. If it is written square root of x, we can write it x to the power half, right? So now what we're going to do, we have like if you have log ln a to b, so we can write it b times ln a. This formula we are going to be applying over here. So that's going to be 6 times a half. That gives you 6 halves ln x plus 25. So that is 3 ln x plus 25. Makes sense? So we have a is 3 and b is 25. Okay, so we've got 3 marks over here. Perfect. So but shall we check whether we've got 3 marks or not? I think yes, we've got 3 marks. Very well done. Now for b part, the curve C cuts the y-axis at point P. Show that the equation of the tangent for to C at P can be written in this form. Okay, fine. So that was, we have y written over here. Now this is b part we're going to be doing. So for b part, we have y equals 3 ln x plus 25. What exactly we have to find? We have to write the equation of tangent. You better know equation of tangent is going to be needing the coordinates of point the curve passes through, or maybe the tangent, the point where it is tangent, and the second thing we need the gradient. Okay, so let's think how can we find these two things out. For coordinates, because it says it passes through, it cuts the y-axis. It cuts the y-axis meaning what does it mean? It means x, we have to substitute x0 there. So if we substitute x0 here, it's going to be y equals 3 ln 0 only, 0 plus 25, it would be 25. That gives us 3 ln 5 squared. And again, we're going to be following the same rule. So that will give us, these two are going to be multiplied, will give us 6 ln 5. Okay, so the y is this. So P was the point where curve cuts the y-axis. So can we write down the coordinates of P? So the coordinates of P are going to be 0 and 6 ln 5. Now we've got the coordinates. The second thing is the gradient. How will we find the gradient? dy by dx. Perfect. So let's do that. We have the equation with us. Y equals 3 ln x plus 25. What the dy by dx will be, if we differentiate it, dy by dx, that gives us 3 over x plus 25. Okay, now gradient at x equals 0 that would be 3 over 25. So I feel like yes, we have everything. So let's write down the equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent it's going to be y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Let's substitute y minus y1 is with the 0.6 ln 5, that equals 3 over 25 x minus 0. Or yeah, you can do now because I have started, so I'm going to be completing it. Y minus 6 ln 5 equals 3 over 25x. If you multiply by 25, so you're going to be getting 25y minus 150 ln 5, that gives us 3x, because we have to represent it in a form, well, ax plus by. Okay, so we are going to be moving it there and this to the left, so we will be getting 25y minus 3x equals 150 ln 5, right? The other way, what I thought, like immediately clicked, but I was on the second step, because the point P is actually y-intercept, no? 0, 6 ln 5. So you can directly use the equation of tangent to be y equals mx plus c. This is what I thought at that moment. So y equals m is 3 over 25x plus 6 ln 5. Just multiply by 25y, move x here, minus 3x equals 25 times 6 is 150 ln 5. So yeah, it's like short, it's cutting down some steps, and there we have shown everything. Let's match it. So we've got 25y minus 3x equals 150 ln 5, and that 25y minus 3x. Yeah, I think it is correct. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.